Hey guys, how are you today? So we're in my kitchen today. I wanted to do some science with you today. A science experiment. Science. You want to do science? So, we've been talking about plants, and we're going to talk more about the parts of the plants, but we did talk a little bit about a part of a plant called the roots. So, we talked about that because there's a part of the plant that we eat sometimes, that we eat the roots sometimes we eat the roots of a plant. Things like potatoes, things like carrots, or onions. Sometimes we eat the roots of the plants like onions or potatoes or radishes, okay? So the roots are the part that suck up the water, and they suck up the water from the soil, and it sucks it right up all the way through the plant so that it can get to the leaves and help them make their own food. So cool. There's something that you might have in your kitchen that we can see easily how the water gets sucked up all the way through the plant, all the way to the leaves. And that thing is green. It has leaves on the end of it. It's actually the part of the plant that we eat on this food is the stem. It's green and crunchy. No, it's not a pickle. You know I love pickles. But we're gonna do celery today. So we're gonna see how celery sucks up the water that we put in the glasses. So, are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, so for all you need for this science project is some glasses with water in them and some celery. So, what we're gonna do is gonna put some colors in these waters. So how about we do some green. Let's see. Put a couple drops in. Ooh, the water is turning green. So cool. And then we'll do some, how about yellow in this one? Whoa, it's turning yellow. And in these two, let's put some red. And some, look at that, so cool. Look how it's changing colors in there. This one and this one, cool. Let's put some blue. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, okay. So, what we're gonna do is put our celery into the cups of water. Now, I want you to make a prediction. A prediction is something that scientists do before they test their ideas. So, in their brain, they say, what do I think is going to happen? So, if I put the celery into the water, something's going to happen. So, what do you think is going to happen? That's a great idea. Write it down so we can check it after we check these later. So I'm going to put them in. Boop. Boop. This one, I actually split so that we can put it in two colors. One part is in the red and one part is in the blue. I wonder what is going to happen there. Okay, so we have to leave these in the water for quite a while. We'll check them at the end of the day today, and then we'll check them again in the morning. The longer they sit, the cooler it will look. So we'll check you back in a little while, friends. Okay, it's the next morning, and check out our science experiment. It looks so cool. So think about your prediction from yesterday. What did you think was going to happen to the celery? Remember we put our celery in the colored water? What did you think was going to happen? Now take a look. Whoa. This part of the celery turned green because it's in the green water. Whoa. It looks so cool. See how the tips of the leaves turned green? Let's check out the orange one. Check out the orange leaves. They look so cool. So it must have sucked up the water and they went all the way to the leaves. See how they turn orange? Wow. Okay, let's check our red and blue. Wow. These leaves turned, they're almost brown, but you can see they have like some red on the tips. Wow. And then at the top, the leaves on this side look blue, and the leaves on this side look red. Wow. Check it out. So it sucked up both colors of water. Whoa. So cool. Okay, so check it out, guys. I just took a little chunk of this and I peeled back the stringy part, okay? And you can see the lines in it, they turned blue. Whoa. You can see where this celery has like almost a straw-like parts in it. That's where they suck up the water. Wow. Okay, friends, I hope you had fun doing science with me today. That was a cool science experiment. So maybe you can try that at home if you have celery at home, and you can make a prediction and see what happens. So cool. So everybody have a great day. I'll see you again next time. Bye.